Hello and welcome back. I'm just going to the notepad back, and actually I just want to teach you some more things about the function, so I'm just removing this simple thing. So the thing is that I'm removing this thing as well. Only one calling is perfect for just teaching you. So by the way, why this parentheses and what the parentheses can do? Definitely they can do a lot of things. We can actually create the variables inside these two parentheses, okay, and but we don't need to put the value inside them. However, we can put the value, but this is not necessary. I'm just guiding you how to do that. For example, I'm just typing val1, okay, and a comma and dollar val2, okay. So val1 is more good, then I'll guide you about the val2. Actually, we can add multiple variables, we can create multiple variables, and this is called the parameters inside the parentheses. So now I'm refreshing, I'm saving that. I'm just going to the browser back and refreshing that. I'm getting an error, okay. They're just telling missing argument 1 for func1 called in line number 6, okay. It is just getting the error in line number 6, and what they're telling, missing argument 1 for func1 called in the line number 6 and defined in line number 2. So they're just telling that something is missing in line number 3, which is defined there. So definitely this is really perfect that we just define the variable here and we have to put the value of the variable there, okay. I'm just typing hello, okay, save that and go to the browser. This is actually the value of this val1, okay. So I'm just going to the browser and checking that back by refreshing. Okay, this is the first ever function but no error, but actually where is the hello I just typed? So actually here I'm just typing, I just wanna say, now what do you want to say? Dollar val1, okay. Now here I'm just using the double quotes instead of single quotes, so I'm just updating that. So definitely I just want to say val1, okay. Go to the browser and refresh that. Now I just want to say hello. So in this way we can just actually add the parameters and their arguments here in this way. So if I just call this function again, but one thing what I'm just doing here, I'm just setting a br and I'm just calling this function again, and here I'm just typing, I just want to say bye, okay. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. I just want to say hello, I just want to say bye, okay. I'm just calling this function 2 times and the same variable, and the value is this, but for the first one calling this is hello, but for the second one calling this is bye. So in this way we can set the function, or we can actually set the arguments of their functions. Something more, we can add multiple values. For example, I can add a comma and then I can add multiple values. I'm typing val2, okay. I can add the values as much as I want, but there actually not simply the values, the variables as well. So this is val1, and where I'm just going to call it now this should be val2, and here I'm just calling val1, okay. I'm removing the I, okay. Val1 just want to say val2. So here now definitely I'm removing the func1. Now only I'm just calling the func2, and here we have to use 2 parameters. If I didn't, then what I will get? Refresh that. Now you can see that missing argument 2, not 1 actually, 1 is considered, the val1 is considered is this, the hello, but they're just telling that missing argument 2 for func1 called in the line number 6 and defined in line number 2, okay. So there is an error, undefined variable val2 in line number 3, because I'm just calling the function here as well. That is why I'm just getting the error. So here hello just want to say, but before the hello I'm just adding another comma and just typing I, okay. Now the val1 is I and the wanna say, and then val2 is hello. So I hope you understood this really simple thing. Refresh that back and I just want to say hello. Now duplicate that, and here I'm just typing he just want to say hello. Go back and refresh that. Now he just want to say hello, and this he is actually replaced with the val1, and the val2 is replaced by hello. If I just type bye here, save that back and refresh that. Now he just want to say bye, I just want to say hello. So I hope you understood how to create a function, how to call a function with multiple parameters and arguments. Something more I just want to show you here. I'm just creating another function, and here I'm just typing caloo, press any space, then calc calculator, and then I'm just adding $val3 comma dollar val 4. Okay, now what I'm just doing here, I'm just typing echo, and then I'm just typing dollar val 3 plus dollar val 4. Okay, now go there and just call this function func oh sorry, not func, actually calc, the calc, and then just type, we have to type the values. Okay, now the values shouldn't be the string, must be the integers or the floating points. Here I'm just typing 4 comma 9. Okay, where is the 4 comma 9? Okay, add this as well. Now this is definitely the perfect one. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that, and I'm just getting 13. So I hope you understood that this function is working as well, and you can create a lot of functions by using these ways. You can add multiple parameters and arguments, obviously, by using this simple technique, and we'll learn some more things in next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.